Are you experiencing difficulties downloading or syncing all iCloud Drive documents and files to your iPhone Files app or Preview app? Here's the steps to download all files at once. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to stable Wi-Fi. Then check that iCloud Drive syncing is enabled before moving to the final step. Open the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, and then tap iCloud. Scroll down a little and tap See All. Under See All, tap iCloud Drive and make sure the Sync This iPhone toggle is turned on. Now go back to the Preview app or the Files app. Under the Browse tab, tap on iCloud Drive. To download everything at once, select All Files and Folders. Tap the More Options icon next to iCloud Drive when you are viewing it in full screen or split screen. Choose the Select option, then tap Select All. Now all the items are selected at once. Tap the More Options button in the bottom right corner. Then tap Download Now and choose Keep Downloaded for future access. This will force download all media, documents, and folders to your Files app or Preview app. You can follow the same steps in the Files app as well because the interface is the same in both apps. If you have any questions, comment below. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates.